Back to the channel. So I bought myself some little goodies on Facebook. You'll probably see it in the title. I've actually bought myself a iMAP from a company called DreamScience. It's just this little device here. Even though I bought this second hand on Facebook Marketplace for the Focus, the lads at DreamScience, Mike, who I'm dealing with, he is an absolute gem. So he's done everything he could to help me get this updated. I just had to post it off to him. He updated it and shipped it back free of charge. So big shout out to DreamScience, DreamScience Motorsport. I think this device is about 500 quid, I believe, and it comes with a stage 1 and stage 2 remap. So I think it's time to map the Focus. Let's have a look. So this thing here has got, you can also read any fault codes on the car. So while I was reading any codes, oh, the ignition might need to be on, that would help, wouldn't it? General error there. So if I just pop the ignition on, vehicle functions, special functions, what's that one? Okay. I'm not sure how this video is going to come out or if it's going to be any good. Cam reset, crank relearn. Yeah. I'm going to leave them alone because that just sounds a bit much for me. But you can read all fault codes with it, so it's a diagnostics tool as well, to an extent. There you go, no codes found, happy days. So let's get mapping. So it should come with a stage 1 and stage 2. I think it's like an Eco 1, stage 1 performance, and then stage 2 performance, I believe, just from what I'm reading online. So let's have a look and see how well this goes. There we go. See it straight away. It tells you what car you've got. Performance level. Performance Plus, Race, or DS Ultima. Right, I'm going to quickly look on their website to see which one is which, because I've only got stage 1. I'm only able to put on stage 1, and I know one of them needs 99 RON, which I'm actually running, but I don't want the Eco one. I want it to have as much power as I can get. So DreamScience. So that's it there on the DreamScience website. 2014 to 2018. Right, I found it. So Performance Plus, it says ideal for standard cars running standard 95 fuel octane, so that's not me. Race, stage 1, ideal for standard cars running super unleaded fuel, delivers an increased level of power compared to Performance Plus, that's me. And DS Ultima are optimum tune for all-out performance to be run with 99 octane only, best suited for cars with bolt-on mods such as cold air induction, intercooler, and 3-inch turbo back exhaust. So, don't know if you can read that, but it says, however, this tune has also undergone rigorous testing and development to ensure it can also work on a vehicle with standard or basic modifications. I think I got basic because I've got an induction kit and I'm thinking about getting a sports cat. So hopefully When tested on a standard pre-facelift car with just a panel filter, we saw 287 brake horsepower and 393 foot-pound of torque, as shown on the dyno graph. So if I was to keep the stage 2 and then upgrade the car, it can achieve just over 300 bhp. Well, it looks like I'm doing DS Ultima then. Yeah, thanks DreamScience, you've cleared that up. So DS Ultima, tyre revs mile, what's this one? I'm keeping that the same, I don't want to ruin that. Speed limit. Oh, that's mad, you can limit your speed on here. Limit it to 20 when the missus drives. No speed limit. Rev limit, I'll keep that the same. Idle, yeah. I suppose just click approve. Performance level Ultima to the off position. Turn the ignition on. Whoa. My car's doing some mad stuff right now. Hopefully the battery don't die in the car, that'd be funny, wouldn't it? I'm scared to even open up the door and prime the pump. I'm just gonna stay still because I'm clumsy. It's doing it quite quick. Modify tune data with options. This might take some time. Please wait. Okay, I'm happy to wait. I'm happy to listen. Like I said, it's not going to be here for everyone, but if you've got all these fixes, you're looking for a map. Then every drive, I'll let you know if it's worth it. Engine service now? You don't need a service. That's a lie. I'm scared to even clear that away from the screen. It's saying I got no fuel. Oh no, it's not, sorry. No, my mistake. Setting up processor. The tyre light's flashing. Oh, I'm kind of excited for this. I gotta admit, I'm like a kid at Christmas doing this. More power, and I'm doing it on my driveway. You know, it's doing it myself. The only downfall is a dyno, but I'm sure I can just go to a different place and get a dyno run. So I'm more than fine with that. Writing ECM tune data. Not sure how long this is going to take, but I'll pause the camera and I'll come back when it's close to finishing. So we're done. Woohoo! Boys and girls, Skint Motors is officially Speedy Motors. Well, I'll still get smoked by a lot of cars, but yeah. Download complete. Tune has been programmed successfully to the vehicle. Turn key off. The key is off, mate. Done. So does this mean if I unplug this, I'm officially faster? I'm doing it. I'm gonna do it. Oh, I'm nervous. That's it. Right. Oh, I'm nervous. Performance scheduled. That's new to me. I've not seen that before. But to be fair, I've only done like 400 miles in the car. Excuse me. Right. No, we're back on, so that's fine. Let's see if I got any lights on the dash. Right, I'm gonna go for the start up. Oh, boot open. Well, it started up fine. That can go off. That can get muted. This can close. I'm going to shut that boot and I'm going to try and take it for a drive. Oh, I heard that turbo spool up a lot more. Right, seatbelt on. I don't know where I'm going to mount you. I don't know what that looks like from this angle. You see my man boobs, but that's all good, isn't it? I'm kind of excited. I don't know if you can see me, mind. Because the last thing I need is 6 points for holding a camera while driving. I need to get a mount. I suppose Father's Day is coming up, so I'll drop a hint to the missus. For the boys. Honestly, you don't know how excited I am for this. I've been waiting for this for a couple of weeks now because I was waiting for Mike to do all the updates, and I know he's had a couple of family staff and people on holiday at his work, so I've just taken it easy on him, you know. And where I bought it second hand as well, I didn't want to go pestering, so you know, because I'm a cheapskate. But yeah, I don't know. Let me just take it out of this dual carriageway. I don't know what it's going to be like for traffic. It's cold, so I'm not going to boot it. But even just in second gear, I should notice the difference. I'm hoping I do anyway. I'm hoping it's like, yeah, rapid. Spluttering. I put my foot down and it spluttered, and the traction control light come on, which I've never seen come on before. So traction control is off. I'll put it in sport mode. This is driving me mad. I wonder if I'll get away with this. Bit of traffic. Like I said, the engine is stone cold. It's been sat there all day, so I don't really want to go booting it too much, but I'll still, you know, give it a little flutter. Traction's off. Right, this is the road. Oh yeah, that is much quicker. Oh, I'm excited, lads, ladies, everyone. So if anyone's got any Fords, I think they're BMW specialists as well as Ford. I'm not too sure, but I know they do these for BMWs as well. Definitely is worth considering getting one of these. This isn't me trying to advertise it for anyone. This is the first time I've tried it, and yeah, I'm not getting paid for it or anything like that. I'm not getting paid for YouTube, full stop. So yeah, I got a sticker. It come with a sticker that looks exactly like that. So that's definitely going on the back of the car. Let people know. But yeah, I don't know how this video is going to come out. It's just me having a bit of fun and showing you this little tablet thing. But yeah, if you can like and subscribe, that'd be great. And as I said, like, I'm not getting paid for any of this, so any support that's shown on my channel is greatly appreciated. This is just me having a bit of fun and just sort of seeing what I can do. But yeah, thanks for watching, and again, if you can like and subscribe, that'd be great. Yeah, cheers.